Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock any app on iPhone and iPad without jailbreak in any iOS version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to go to settings, and under settings we have to tap on screen time and tap turn on screen time. Tap continue, tap this is my iPhone. Now we have to set passcode for screen time. For that we have to tap on use screen time passcode. Set any passcode, retype, tap skip. Now tap on app limits. Now tap on add limit. Put passcode. Now we have to select the app that you want to lock on your iPhone. If you lock any social media app, tap on social. Now for example we are selecting WhatsApp. Tap on next and set the time limit for 1 minute. This is just for checking. Tap on add. That's it. Force close settings. Now try to open WhatsApp and it lock. It says time limit. If you want to open the WhatsApp for a limited time, then tap ask for more time, enter screen time passcode, approve for 15 minutes, approve for an hour, approve for all day. Tap on that you want, approve for 15 minutes, and the WhatsApp is unlocked. And if you want to delete the limit, then go back to settings, screen time, app limits, WhatsApp, passcode, tap delete limit and tap again delete limit. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.